Hello friends, welcome back to your channel. In this channel we try to solve the previous year's physics question papers of Neet undergraduate exam which is held in India. This is also helpful for those students appearing for the JEE mains as these are NCERT related questions. We have made all attempts to solve this in a very student friendly manner so that you can easily understand the concepts and you will be able to follow them going forward. We have tried our best to solve the different kinds of questions which appeared in the earlier question papers so that you do not have to miss them. We take a lot of effort in reviewing the previous year's questions and sharing with you only the best questions so that they can make your preparation more complete for the exams. If you like the content, we urge you to like the videos so that this motivates us to create more relevant content for you and help you in your preparation for the exams. We also urge you to subscribe to the channel so that you are immediately informed of any content which is added to this channel. We hope you are able to follow the questions. If you have any doubts, then please feel free to add in the comment section and we will revert to you at the earliest possible. So in this section we have added 10 to 15 questions on rotational motion. We will be adding more questions in our further videos. So these are preliminary questions, but these have all come in Neet sometime or the other in previous years. So we request you to try to solve these questions, and if you have any doubts then you can revert to us in the channel, but nevertheless we will be also solving this and we'll be sharing the solutions with you. So let's go through these questions. This is a question 1. So this is the key to the questions. Okay, so we hope that you like the question. You please try to solve them. If you have any doubts, then let us know and we will help you accordingly. So thank you for visiting us in this channel. We hope to see you back in this channel soon. Thank you.